Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs, bringing you a DIY for my Adirondack chairs. I've been blessed with these chairs and I wanted to make a change. I painted them two different colors. The first year I got it and then last year. And the green did not go on well for some reason. I wanted that rich emerald green color. And for some reason, it did not take. The surface, I guess, wasn't porous enough for it to take. So what I'm gonna do, I found this gorgeous color, kind of avocado green, a nice light tone or medium tone, and I painted two benches outside with it, and I love the look. So I'm gonna try it on these chairs. I love these chairs and they're comfortable. You can put them a little bit, recline backwards or sit up. So they're versatile and I don't want to let them go. So let me see if a new color will revise them. I don't know if I'm gonna like them, but for right now, these colors are not going well with me. All right. Oh, excuse me. So this paint is a mist tint that, there it is. Can you see it? Yeah. It's a Valspar mist tint that I had bought a long time ago. And what I do, sometimes, I want to say usually, whenever I see something on sale that I know I'll use, I'll grab it. And sometimes I don't use it right away. For me, it takes time. I mean, sometimes I'm satisfied with what I have and the look that I have. And other times when I'm bored or I need to be creative, I find something to do. And this week I'm revising, upcycling, I don't know, repainting, but I'm doing something outside. And I'm gonna see if I'm gonna love it or like it. And I have a roller brush that I've been using since yesterday and a regular one. And I did not put them in water. Make sure you put yours in water because it keeps. It keeps. I don't want the dripping, but I don't mind. So I guess that I have to put this on really thick. And it looks like it's cloudy. So of course the rain's gonna be involved in my project. But it's all right, I like the rain. Especially when I don't have to water my garden. So guys, it is so tranquilizing, if that's the word, to do something outside for me. Especially changing a color of a chair or changing the chair hardware. I love something like that. I'm really a designer at heart, and I take on projects to do. So if you have a dresser or a chair that you want new life out of. You're sick and tired of the color or the style or the design, call me. My shop is Decisive Designs Table and More Solution, and I will give you a decisive solution for your life. Something that you will love, adore, and of course can't live without. Just the little things that makes us tick. A lot of times we think of things that we want or we want to do and never implement them. Pick up a paintbrush today, or a can of paint in your favorite color, and go to the thrift shop or yard sale and pick up something old and change it into you. Change it into you and say, this is me and what I would wear if I was a chair or a dresser. And see if you'll like it. I like to be unique. I like other people design and decorating skills, and oftentimes say, oh, that's really nice, but don't really want to go out and spend that money to get that look. And oftentimes from those visits or conversation, I get ideas. Say, oh, I don't know, I prefer the color blue instead of purple because I have a dresser like that. And is that bad? No. People, things, places, environment helps you to live. Helps you to live. So do we live according to our means? Do we live according to what we like? Or we just someone who depend on someone else's ideas and style and well-being and everything? I don't know. I like to depend on me and what I would do about that situation or that place. And also, I like the green coming out. I think I'm gonna leave that. I like the tint of it coming out. What do you think? And guys, when you use a roller brush, it's faster. It's faster. It's faster. I love it. What do you think? Let me go closer. I love it already. It actually tones it down and it just makes it a little bit calmer for the spots. I may go inside and touch up the green, but I love the green coming through and the yellow. I love it. It's lived in, and that's what I like. Things that are lived in. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two and see how they look, and then let you know. Look at that. I like that. And this, I don't know, I just love this kind of thing. Send me a chair today. Or put one out today. And then say, God, let that person send me something that's worth that chair, and see what happens. Now, as I say that, I say to say that whenever I go on Facebook Marketplace and I get free stuff, I usually send back a picture or a video of what I did with it to the owner. I don't know, even if I bought it, I do that. And I always get like good reception. So you never know, because it let us rethink throwing out things. It let us live in a way that we don't like or we never did before. And it let us talk, have conversation about, you know, that table that we put out, we helped that girl got in her car. She went home and she painted it and she sent us a picture. Or she went home and she decorated, she designed it, she did a tablescape and she sent us a picture. Or those dishes that she bought and she sent us a picture. I do that. Why? I think that's giving back. I think when I do that, my spirit is satisfied, knowing that I got something and I gave something. Peace.